If you had the keys to financial freedom, do you think that you could share that with 10 people and you could get 10 people to come along with you on that journey if you could get them to financial freedom? 10 people. Now, if you were able to do that, in doing that, was able to put you in a very, very good situation. Just 10 people, and it took you a year to do that. Do you think you could do it in a year? Do you think you could do it in 6 months? Do you think you could do it in 3 months? Well, we have a very, very special situation going on right now that can actually do that for you. So I don't only want to show you in this video how you can achieve financial freedom, and let's start out with putting that in the terms of $300 per day to start out with, $300 to $900 per day to start out with. So we're going to put you in a position to where you can earn anywhere from $300 to $900 per day for the next 21 days. For the next 21 days, because we have a special that's happening that is going to put you in a position to earn that right now, and more importantly, thousands. And when I say thousands with an S, in the future on autopilot. Now, before we dive into that, I want you to do two things. One, I want you to do three things actually. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to be sure that you watch this video to the end, or you're going to miss something. And if you really want to earn that $300 to $900 per day within the next 21 days, and I'm talking about how we can make this happen for you every single day, you got to watch the whole video. The second thing I need you to do is I need you to make sure that you don't get scared, because I'm getting ready to show you some numbers. And when I show you these numbers, numbers don't lie. That's why I'm showing you numbers. And then the first thing that people will say is, oh, that's a pyramid scheme. Oh, that can't. Look, numbers don't lie. If you want to stay broke, keep thinking that way. This is why a lot of people don't make money, because you got to follow the numbers. You got to do something that's going to actually be worth your time. If it's not worth your time, you're not making the money, you will leave. People will leave. No one will follow you. No one will join you. And we've taken care of that situation for you here. This is very lucrative for anyone that gets involved. The third thing I need to make sure that you do is I got to tell you about the power of 10. And I kind of started talking about it a little bit right now, but we're going to talk about the power of 10. Why this is so important. And remember, I asked you in the beginning of this video, do you think you can bring 10 people into a situation that is going to be life-changing for them? And we're going to make this easy for you. You're not going to do this on your own. I'm going to help you. Me, the guy that watched this video right now, and a whole bunch of us, we're going to help this happen for you. So it's going to be easy to do. So now let's dive into the power of 10 and why this is so important. And then we're going to come back to the very end, and I'm going to ask you another question, and then I'm going to see the people that take action. The importance of the power of 10. Most people have a really hard time recruiting or getting anybody to join them in an opportunity. But if you've been doing this, even if you've been doing it for a long time and you're horrible at it, and you've done it for a year, you've probably at least brought 10 people into an opportunity. Now, if you hadn't, then you're at the right place. If you have, then you're at an even better place, because if you can bring in 10 people, then you can bring in 100. Now, as far as this opportunity is concerned, I'm going to be promoting like crazy. This is the beginning of videos here on YouTube, but I'm getting ready to go across multiple platforms. I have a lot of ways, a lot of lead sources. Not only that, we're going to be doing co-op traffic. We're going to be running paid traffic, and a lot of bigger things for people that take action to come in now. But we're starting in the ground zero, so everybody's starting from the same place. Also, we're going to show you how to get into different social medias, how to market on camera if you want to be on camera, off camera, how to do both, how to do AI, how to leverage other people's content. A lot of different ways that you can promote. But how you start momentum. Me, myself, say I get the first 10 people in, and mind you, people have already joined us in this opportunity, so I won't count them. We're going to start from zero. I'm going to say from today, right now, the first 10 people that join me, I'm going to teach those first 10 people how to get 10 people. And I'm very good at what I do, and I have access to so many things that's going to help you level up to ways that you never thought you'd be able to, and shave years off of wasting time and getting right to the money, getting right to the bag. So again, me, I'm going to work with those first 10 people that join me very closely, very directly, to help them bring in 10 people. So when those 10 people bring in 10 people each, we now have 100 people in our movement. 100 people. Now, if I taught those 10 people how to bring in 10 people, and they were all able to bring in 10 people themselves. So what do you think is going to happen when we bring in those 100 people? They're going to teach the people what they just did, but I'm still there. So I'm going to be right there teaching everybody still, because we're going to be leveling up. As time continues, more things enter the playing field. AI keeps moving, things keep changing, and I come across stuff across my desk every single day because I'm tapped in behind the scenes. This is what I do. So I always have access to the newest things, the freest tools, the best offers, the stuff before you don't even know what's coming out, but I know because I'm behind the scenes with the people that's making it happen. So therefore, we take those 100 people, we teach them how to bring in only 10 people now. I didn't say 25 people, 50 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, only 10. And when those 100 people bring in 10 people, now we are 1,000 people strong. And if you look at what we're doing right now, we're trying to change 1,000 people's lives, 1,000 families. That's the first milestone. 1,000 families would be really big with us, but we're not going to stop there because you see where the map goes. This is the importance of duplication. If everybody can't do it, then it doesn't matter. And that's what's wrong when it comes to make money online. A lot of people try to do it, but they can't accomplish it because they're not duplicating. They don't really have a process. Everybody's all over the place, doing whatever they think the next video or the last training or, whatever they think that's going to work. And there's a lot of variables that you are not calculating. Now we can continue to go, but you see where we're going here. Those 1,000 people bring in 10,000. Those 10,000 people bring in now we're 100,000. So what I'm getting ready to show you now is getting ready to blow your mind. This is the part where I told you don't get scared. So if you're still here, salute to you. You must want to get money. Second of all, don't get scared. So I'm getting ready to show you something that's going to blow your mind, and math does not lie. And the question I ask you is, because we're going to do a power of 10, I'm going to the first 10 people that come into this, I salute to you because you must want to get money. And then I'm going to help you get 10 so we can get to 100. It's not going to take us long to get to 100. I just need the first 10 serious people. And I'll get those 10 people to get 10, and then we'll have 100. And then by then, momentum starts. By the time we get to 1,000 people in, you're not going to even be able to control it. We're going to snowball to 10,000. And then once we get to 10,000, maybe it'll take us a year to get 100,000. Maybe it'll take us 5 years to get to 100,000. I'm here for the longevity of it. But the bottom line is, where do you want to come in and make money and start eating with us? Do you want to come in day one? Or do you want to wait till we get 1,000 people in and you see all these payment proofs and all these people's lives change, and you're like, I remember I seen that video some years back. You're like, dang, that happened fast. And now you're where you are, even worse a situation. I don't think so. So let's continue the video and let's dive into now the part where you're probably going to get scared with the money, right? You're going to get scared with how much you can earn. This is what we're going off of right now. We have 2 opportunities that we can help you with right now. And again, something's happening for the next 21 days, and I'm going to tell you about it. It's a double upgrade, but we'll double back to that in a second. So with the rule of the power of 10, when you come into this opportunity, now this first one that's green is an opportunity. And the reason it's green is because it's only US based. So unfortunately, international people will not be able to take advantage of it, but they can benefit from it. And that we'll talk about in another time in another video. But just watch this video and stick with me. If you get 10 people to come into the opportunity, when you come into the opportunity, you get $25 just for coming in, just following some instructions. They give you $25. When you share that opportunity and 10 people come in with you, you make $75. So if you look on the screen and you see in the green area, that's a total of $775 when 10 people join you in that opportunity and they go through that process. And it's a very easy process, and trust me, it's very beneficial, and you don't lose any money. It's all your money. So that's $775 that you're going to make if you're in the US and you get somebody else in the US to join you in that opportunity. Now in the red shows where the second opportunity kicks in that is global, that we all can join in. Now there's 2 levels that you can earn in that currently at the moment. And trust me, listen to the whole video. There's 5 levels that we have. 1 is free, 4 are paid. There's 2 higher levels that we're going to talk about at the end of the video, but there's 2 levels that we're on right now. Now with the 2 levels that you're seeing on the screen right now, you're seeing the commissions that you earn from the lower 2 tier levels that are offered through this opportunity. The lowest amount that you'll be able to earn, well, there is a $25 that you earn for the free level, but we're trying to talk about earning some bigger money. So we don't really focus on the small stuff. But if you decide to do the free level that we have right now, you will get $25 should someone decide to join a paid level and they went through you and you were free. And that's a whole nother, there's a lot of ways to earn in this, but we're going to keep this simple right now. We're going to focus on the directs that you earn. So at the lowest paid tier, you will earn $100. At the second lowest paid tier, you will earn $300. Say that 10 people joined you at each level. You would earn $1,000 in commission from the people that joined you at that lower tier. And then you would earn $3,000 for the people that joined you at that second tier. So that'd be a total of 20 people. So if you're looking on the screen right now, then on the right in the red for the total, you see $4,000. Now on the left side, you see a total of $4,775. And we get that amount by adding the 4,000. And we're just going to say maybe out of those 20 people that joined you, 10 people just didn't listen. They didn't listen. They didn't sign up for the free level. They didn't do the first opportunity, or maybe it's not even the fact that they were able to do it. Maybe they were international. Maybe they joined you internationally and they weren't able to take advantage of that level. So we're going to say out of 20 people, maybe 10 people were US and the other 10 were international, or however the mix goes, only 10 people decided to go through and do the first level. And because of that, you earned a little bit more, $4,775. And mind you, this is only from 10 people taking action at the green level, which is the bonus level, the first tier level. And then we're saying 10 on both sides, because if you promote this right, you could have that. Now, if you want to say, well, let's just keep it fair at 10. Okay, then if you just bring 10 people at the $100 level, then you made $1,000. If you take advantage of the next level, then you make $3,000. But if you're promoting this, you don't want to just, again, this is about a value ladder. Some people are going to not have the money they need to be able to unlock that $300 commission, but they can do what they can, and they can do the $100 one. And then some people are definitely going to have what they need, and they want that $300 commission. So you're not leaving any money off the table. You're accepting both. So now, again, in a perfect world, or in a hungry world, if you're promoting this in front of a lot of people, all 20 people that come in and join you could all sign up and all have that level. But again, you don't want to count out international people because this is global. But let's just say that happened. Then you'd have a total of $5,525. And again, this is only from 10 people. So me personally, I'm not even worried about, that's small numbers to me, because I don't plan on bringing in 10 people. I plan on bringing in 1,000 people by myself or more. And then when I get to 1,000, I'm not going to stop. It's never going to stop. I'm just going to keep on bringing in people, because people always need to make money and people always need to save, and inflation, I don't see it getting any better. So why would I stop bringing in people? I mean, I may get to a point to where I just focus on the people that are here and help them bring in people, because everybody has to succeed here. We don't make any income guarantee claims, but this is a movement, and this is what I'm running. And I'm not doing this for people to join us to not succeed. I'm not making these videos and explaining this for you not to succeed. I'm showing this to you to show you how you can succeed. And when you get behind the scenes, if I'm taking this much energy and time to explain it to you in a free video or wherever you saw this at, then what do you think I'm doing behind the scenes for the people that invest? What do you think I have for the people behind the scenes that are serious with this? Let's continue. So now, this is what will happen right now if you come in right now and take advantage of those levels. Now, this is the part where the double upgrade comes in. When you come in at the double upgrade right now, there are 2 higher levels, and those higher levels have these commission amounts. They have the commission amounts of $1,000, and they have the commission amounts of $2,000. So again, when you get 10 people to join you at those higher levels, then the commission you would have earned would have been $10,000 at that higher level. And at the highest level, 10 people coming in, that would have been a total of $20,000. So again, I'm not minimizing myself, or I'm only going to get 10. People are going to join you at all levels as time continues. And right now, the highest levels, you can't even join them because you're getting a double upgrade, which I'm going to get into that in just a moment. But I want you to look at these numbers right now on the screen. Once you get only 10 people to join you in those levels, that would have been a grand total on both sides. 30,000 for international people, 30,000 for people in the US, because this is of the income stream that we all can take advantage of. And mind you, this is just all about the people that join you directly. This is a 2-tier opportunity, meaning that once those people join you and they bring in these direct commissions for themselves, you earn also on a 2nd tier. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flash through all the different opportunity levels real quick and show you what they are and what they cost and the amounts that you earn on each of them. Now, each level has an admin amount. You have to pay the admin the amount for the system, and these are all one-time investments, one-time costs. Once you pay it, it's a one and done, and you own it. Now, you earn on the direct level. Every time somebody joins you, you earn directly. On the second tier is for your sponsor. So every time you earn in the program, you will always pay the second tier up to your sponsor. That's team leverage. So if you bring in one person, that one person pays you for life. You're bringing 5 people, 10 people, 25 people, 100 people. Let's just go back to what we talked about. What did we talk about? The power of 10, right? Now you're starting to get where I'm saying? Now if we go back to the power of 10, if everybody brings in the minimum, their 10, I just showed you what you would make if you brought in 10. A minimum of 10 at whichever level that you were at. Or maybe you just brought in 10 at each level. So what you will earn at the 10 at each level, there's 4 different levels. If you brought in 10 people at each level, 4 people over the period of a year, would this not be very beneficial in changing your life? Not to mention, you didn't factor in those 10 people, what they would bring in, because you earn on a second tier. And again, you can train them and bring whatever to the table that you want to bring to the table. Because I know we're going to have a lot of other people who are creatives. We're going to have a lot of other people who are in different spaces. We're not just doing this for people making money online. This is for online creators. This is for people that are out here creating digital content. Whatever kind of content you create, we show you how to monetize in your space behind the scenes. This is just make money online here, but trust me, I can help you in any niche. It doesn't matter. Get behind the scenes, get with us, join us. You seen the numbers don't lie. And the thing is, with a double upgrade, when you come in now at either the 150 level, you will be able to upgrade to that level and earn on those levels. Or if you come in at the $400 level, which is the sweet spot, the $400 level is what you want. You unlock every single level you just seen on the board. You unlock the ability to earn on every commission level. And then when this special is over and there is no more double upgrade, then you'll be able to earn on all those levels from a lower investment of either $150, very affordable, or a $400 investment, which compared to what you're going to be able to earn in the future, a keys to a 6-figure system with the community and a person, get money, quarterback coach behind the scenes, crafting out every move, not to mention whoever else wants to contribute when they come to the table, because we have people that want to bring what they have and other skill sets that they have to the table. If you're a content creator, if you're a course creator, you can put courses behind the scenes. We can put those courses for the people that join us here to bring more value to these levels. I can help you create those courses. Whatever skill set you have, trust me, I'm an amplifier to you. Let's talk, let's work. But while we're doing all that and saving the world and changing the world, let's get some money in the process. Also, I have a free gift to give to you and also a free training to give to you that's going to be ready in the next 48 hours. So you're going to want to click the link in the description. It's going to take you to where that information is. And trust me, as these videos begin to fall out, you're going to see how big this is going to be. And I just want to give you the opportunity to understand how big it is and that you can get in now on the ground floor. Because those first 10 people, if you're watching this now, click the link and get signed up and let's get started. Because every day I work on this. Every single day you're going to see more things I have that the people behind the scenes know, but you don't know yet. So get behind the scenes, get in the Facebook group so you can be the first to know. When the VIP lists come out, be sure to get on it. More importantly, take action. We got 21 days left. You could be earning $300 and I could be putting you in a video showing you to the world and you could be telling your story. And I could be showing you how you can be telling your story while you're earning, while you're learning. So the video is long enough. You've seen the power of 10. You've seen how now you can be on social media promoting this and people will be flooding you, joining you, wanting to come and join us, and you're earning $300 over and over again with 21 days left. Now, when we get to November, we have another special. It's not as good as this one, but trust me, it's a great follow-up. And we'll talk about that later, but you don't want to wait until November. You want to get in right now and start earning. So I see you on the inside. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like the video, share, leave any comments or questions that you have. Get in the Facebook group, take action. Money is being made every single day. You need to get some. Let's get it.